Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own LITOPHANE. First of all, you need to open the link in the description. It will take you to this site. Here you just need to click images and you need to upload your image. You can choose between many shapes. I prefer this one, it comes out the best. For the settings, in the model settings you can choose the size of your picture, thickness. You can print it with border. In image settings you need to put this to positive. Default is negative, so you need to change it to positive because the pictures are better. They are positive. If you print it with negative, it comes out negative picture. So that's all. All you have to do is click download. After that you just open your slicer. I'm using CURA, and you drag this downloaded file in your slicer like that. So this is our picture. In here all you have to do is to put the infill all the way up to 100%, and we will use, where is it? We will use skirt, and we will use 4 skirt lines. So that's it. After that you just click slice and the G-code will be generated, and you save it to your SD card and print it out.
A few moments later.